Does this look familiar? High beam indicator. Usually pretty dim. It is actually dim, but it looks really bright in this video. We're gonna fix it. Stand by. Hi guys. Made my garage here. I'm showing you here. I already pulled the dash bezel out, which just pops out. One cool thing is you can check and see who actually assembled your dash, which is really neat. Mine said Barb on it, but I have it in the back of the bed now. And I took the 4 screws out here, and I'll show you here. All you gotta do is hop in the back here, pull this guy out. That's all I did. I used dielectric grease. I got mine from, I believe it was Napa. Got some dielectric grease. I put in the connector, and I put it in the back of the instrument cluster here. I lightly coated the pins, plugged it all back together, and no more crazy half lit up high beam indicator. That's all you have to do. I searched forever trying to figure out how to get that out, cleaning grounds and such, and nothing was working. So I hope this saved you guys a little aggravation. I've been after this gremlin for months. If I saved you any time, hit me up down in the PayPal link. Send me a couple bucks. I'm trying to grow my channel and get some new video equipment. Hit me up down in the comment section. Who built your truck? It'd be neat to know. Mine was Barb. I've heard of all kinds of names in there, so it'd be just cool to see how many different people were on the assembly line that did this job back in the early 2000s. Also, don't be afraid to hit me up and let me know what kind of tools you like. I have Cobalt. It's the brand I went with. I'm kind of partial to blue, maybe. I don't know. They've treated me well, though. They've been very good. So hit me up if you're a Milwaukee guy, or what brand you swear by. So that should be it. Thanks.